welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and I make videos on motherhood, makeup and fashion if that's something you're interested in. So today I will be doing a couple of things. I'm gonna get my nails done, and then I'm going to go to Five Below and probably take Enesscee to the park. So if that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned for the vlog. It's kind of raining, so we don't know about the packing yet, but we'll see how this goes. And yeah, and before you guys come for me for my straps, okay, I'm breastfeeding, so I have to wear the appropriate bra. Those require straps. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so I will talk to you guys once I get done with that. Okay guys, so this is what my nails look like. And hold on, so it's pretty much the same thing that I usually get, because I don't like changing stuff up. Like, if I know something works for me, then I'm probably going to keep it. Like, I'm not one of those people that try something new every time they go to the nail shop. Like, if I meet this one person that can do my nails right, I'm gonna just stick to her. But just pulling up now by Five Below, and yep, that's it right here. I really love this store, honestly. Like, I used to overlook it like all the time, to be told, and then my boyfriend was like, yeah, they have some good stuff in there. But like, they really have some gems. So I'll show you guys what they have, and they switch out their stuff too, so it's not always the same thing all the time. It's seasonal. Some things are seasonal, and they always like update and get new things or whatever. So we'll see what they have. I like their electronics and their decor as well. So, and they have some nice toys too if you have children. So yeah, catch you guys inside. Hopefully they're not playing any music and I can talk. Oh, and there's a Rainbow right there too. And a Route 21. I don't really go to shop at Rainbow, I'll tell you that much. Rainbow has like some really cheap. And they have a sale? Is that Rainbow with the sale?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a...
So I'm heading into the store right now. Hopefully they don't have any background noise or music, so I can vlog. But yeah, catch you guys. Thank you. got this deluxe studio light. I think this was $8, but I'm really excited to use this when I don't want to bring my real ring light out. Then I also got this for $5, selfie light. Then I got this small tripod. I'm looking forward to using this, definitely. Yeah. Then I got some headphones for when I'm editing on the computer.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses.
Okay guys, so I know I haven't ended this vlog. I always forget to end my vlogs, but yeah, I'm back home, as you guys could probably tell. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for bed and hit the hay. But it was cool rocking with y'all. Thank you for joining my vlog. See you guys later.